Hey, greetings everyone. This is Tony Holowitz. In this tutorial, I want to show you how to create a unique activity type. So I like to play golf. I like to sneak out periodically, play 9 holes of golf. Typically it takes me 3 hours. So what if I want to create an activity type specifically for golf? Let me show you how to do that. I'm going to come up and click on schedule. I'm going to go down to activity types. When I come into this box, I'm going to click on add. When I come in here, I'm just going to call it golf. Now golf is obviously played on a nice green golf course, so the color I'm going to give it is green. Next, what's the duration? How many minutes? Well, let's do 3 hours. And do I need an alarm? Not necessarily. And I'm just going to click OK. And now we have golf on the activity type list. I'm going to save the changes. Now that I've done that, I'm going to schedule golf. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click right here. I'm going to double click actually. This box comes out. I'm going to click on the drop down. I'm going to choose golf. By default, it makes it 3 hours. I'm just going to leave it for this time. There it is, green. And I'm going to come back up and click on save. And now you'll see it's on my calendar for today, Wednesday the 17th. Okay, my friends, you have a great day. If you have any questions about how to create specific types of activities, just reach out to me and I'd be more than happy to help you with that. Be well, my friend. Bye now.